So the first thing, I'm glad you led that way, because the first thing that comes to mind is there's certain stocks that are so bad they're good, and there's certain stocks that are so good could they be great going forward. ULTA is in the latter. Do we think they're right now on the precipice of having, or they're on a 7-quarter streak of better earnings and revenue, Kelly? So does it stand to reason that maybe you should see a little bit of flattening out on the stock chart and maybe on the earnings?
So you're not a buyer?
Yeah. So this one would be, I always like to classify it as buy, sell, hold. My grandfather used to always say to me, if I can't describe or explain it to people in 15 seconds, I probably don't understand it myself. So this one is probably a hold for me. And the reason why I gave you is, above all, it's moving averages. I'm looking at the chart. It looks like it's climbing some sort of Mount Everest here. How long can things do that? Stocks don't grow to the sky, ... anymore. So you would think there's got to be some leveling off. Let's hold it. Let's see how it reacts to earnings.
I love these beautiful. You can't see them, Steve. We have the 50 and 200-day lines on these charts now, and it is wonderful. Now I see exactly what you're pointing out. Ulta Beauty, guys, he's sticking with it. Let's turn to Gap. Obviously, a much more challenged story. Expected to report a loss today. They're dealing with management turnover, inventory bloat, falling comps, and 16% short interest. So what do you do here?
Yeah, so this one is also a wait. This is binary. This one's going to trade like a biotech stock, Kelly. You have to see, as you just said, how they deal with inventories. I think this one could, I don't know if I'd classify it as so bad it's good, but the bar is really low. They could probably crawl over it. Look at what they are selling, the Athleta brand. And believe it or not, people are actually reaching for more formal wear. They're tired of being stuck at home. They want to go out. They want to buy different things. They're going on vacation. It's a little more formal. I bought a couple of blazers in the last month. That is an aside. I didn't buy them from Gap stores. But still, this is something where
Steve, my
people
producer
are
said,
buying a different.
My producer said, then why aren't you wearing them?
Well, that's my formal wear for evening.
Exactly.
I can't wear it when it's so close to high noon. If the sun's glaring in my face, I can't be wearing a blazer just yet. But this one, they're doing all the right things. Think about the catchphrases: job cuts, hiring freeze, spending pause.
Yeah.
All of those statements have been greeted with buyers in the market. Let's see how far along they are in the process of so bad it's good after we see earnings.
They just need to do a meta, call it their year of efficiency, and see how the market reacts to that. All right, so let's turn then to DocuSign. Speaking of tech, we'll pivot away from retail. DocuSign, obviously such a tough tech stock. It's up 20% this year after a pretty dismal couple of years there. Options implying a 13% move up or down, watching guidance for revenue growth, profitability, cost management. Would you sign up for this one?
Yeah, I actually think this was the ultimate pandemic stock. It should be the ultimate post-pandemic stock as well. Obviously, with rates increasing, you're paying for those future earnings. The multiple is obviously decreased. But this one's been in a declining trend line since September of 2021. It broke that declining trend line in December of 2022. It also, for a point of reference, had a huge gap lower December 2021, if you go back that far on a chart. I don't know if you can do that. That was on earnings. So now it's climbing that wall of worry. It's climbing, rates moving higher. If they can right-size the ship, they've already had job cuts in September. They announced the second round in February. So I think they're getting to the point where they can hurdle whatever their guidance is. Roughly EPS and revenues, I think they're looking for, up 10% or thereabouts, maybe just a shade lighter. And now one last thing, Kelly, I don't think they have tremendous barriers to entry, but a stock like this is based on expectations. The chart tells me it wants to move higher.
It wants a move higher. All right. Steve Grasso, thank you so much, sir. We appreciate it.